How to turn on comments on YouTube. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your YouTube. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the right corner, you can find your profile icon. Click on it. From here, select this option of YouTube Studio. Open it. Now at the left corner, you can find this option of settings. Click on it. Go to the option of channel. Open it. Now head towards this option of advanced settings. Now from here you have to select the option of no, set this channel as not made for kids. Cause if you select this option yes, set this channel as made for kids, your comments will be turned off. So select the option of no, set this channel as not made for kids, or I want to review this setting for every video. And then head towards this option of upload defaults. Click on it. Select the option of advanced settings. Scroll down. Now over here you can find this comment sections. From here you can select the option of allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review or hold all comments for review. Just don't select the option of disable comments. This way you can easily turn on comments on your YouTube videos. Applying these methods, you can easily turn on comments on your YouTube videos. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.